Hello bakers, and welcome back to day 6 of my 12 bakes of Christmas. We are halfway through this festive series taking us right up to Christmas with a brand new recipe each day. If you missed yesterday's recipe for this incredibly delicious Guinness Christmas pudding, then check out the link down below in the description to catch up. But it's a brand new day, so let's see what recipe we have next. You can't have a Christmas dinner without stuffing. It's often a recipe that people just buy from the shop or in a packet, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to make at home. Now, I think stuffing is always one of those side dishes that people take for granted, but it is so easy to make at home, and you can have so much more fun with it if you do. The traditional stuffing is made with sage and onions, so that's what I'm going to show you today, but you can of course add in different flavours like cranberries, walnuts, and really make it your own. To begin, you want to finely chop 1 red onion. Pop it to the side, and then you'll also need to finely chop 4 to 5 sage leaves. The easiest way to do this is to roll them up, slice them thinly, and then keep on going until you've got the right consistency. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and then add in your red onions, stirring until soft. Pop in your sage leaves, stir them through, and then allow it to fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. In a separate bowl, you want to break down 80 grams of breadcrumbs. If you're making stuffing balls, then I prefer to make them a bit more fine, but if you're just doing it in one roasting dish, then you can leave them a bit more rough. Add your fried onions into your breadcrumbs and then season well with salt and pepper. Mix through and then add in 1 egg to help you combine the mixture. If you want to make stuffing balls, then all you need to do is roll the mixture together in your hands and place it onto a dish. Or if you're just making one large dish, pop it into a well-greased roasting tin and you're good to go. Now, you can pop the stuffing in just as it is, but I'm going to show you a way to get an extra crispy crust on top. I'm a big fan of fusion cooking, so if you have any panko breadcrumbs lying around, often used for katsu curry, then scatter about a tablespoon of these on top of your stuffing. These are going to go nice and golden in the oven and give you a good crunch. Place the stuffing into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until it starts to go golden. So there you have it. I like to garnish mine with a bit of extra sage, and then it's good to go. I hope you enjoyed this homemade stuffing recipe, and I recommend you try it out just to see how easy it is to make. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.